Hi guys. Have you ever had an invitation to go to a church function, a party, where you need to cook something for a large group of people, or maybe you want to go out with your girlfriends for the day but you want to have dinner ready when you get home, or maybe, just maybe, you work during the day and you want to put something on in the morning and come home and have dinner ready? If you have, let me know, what is your go-to meal? My go-to meal is Italian chicken. It's extremely easy to prepare. Everyone that I've ever made it for absolutely loves it, and you can make it in a crock pot. I'm going to show you how to do that today. So, I'm Dawn, and I'm living the Newcomb life. Okay, so like I said, this is a super easy crock pot meal. I'm going out this afternoon. I want to have dinner ready when I come back. So normally when I make this for a large group of people, I double the recipe, but today I'm just going to make a single batch because it's just me and Jerry and our daughter is visiting, and so it's just the three of us are really going to eat, and I am sure this will actually give us leftovers for another day. So what you need to start is boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and we buy ours at Costco or Sam's Club, or you can get them at the grocery store too. These are the flash frozen, so they're individual. I think that's the best way to do it. But if you have any kind of frozen chicken in your freezer, you can use that. Preferably not with the bones because it will be hard to get those out. But anything boneless, skinless, perfect. You're also going to need a can of cream of any kind of soup. I have cream of chicken. Jenna prefers our Italian chicken made with cream of chicken, but I have made it with cream of mushroom. And it works perfectly with any. I think even if you had cream of celery, it would work. Whatever your preference is. Like I said, you do you. You're also going to need some Good Seasons Italian dressing. Honestly, I think if you had Great Value Italian dressing, it would work just as well. But we use Good Seasons, and you're going to need a packet of that. You're going to need a block of cream cheese. Now, I have to be honest with you. Everything that I have here is full fat, the cream soup and the cream cheese. But this original recipe called for the fat-free cream of chicken soup and the low-fat cream cheese. And I got to be quite honest with you, I like it better low-fat. But I don't have that in my kitchen right now. So we're going to do the full fat because that's what I have. You're also going to need some egg noodles. And honestly, it doesn't even have to be egg noodles. You could literally use whatever kind of noodle you have in your house. I think we probably all have some kind of noodle in our cabinets that we use. So whatever kind of noodles you want, you can use. So let's get started. So these have to be the largest chicken breasts I've ever seen. They're huge. So you want 4 to 5 chicken breasts depending on the size of your chicken breasts, and you just want to layer them in the bottom of your crock pot. I have 4 really large chicken breasts, and you can see they're all just kind of layered in here. And we're going to take our Italian dressing. And this is the powdered dressing in case you've never used this before. I buy it in these boxes of 4, but I think you can even get them in just individuals. And it's got a bunch of seasonings and stuff in it. And you just take this and sprinkle it all over your chicken, down into your crock pot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your can of cream of chicken or any kind of soup. And you're just going to put this over your chicken. Now, my chicken is frozen. I have never made this with fresh chicken before. The frozen chicken works perfectly. You don't have to thaw it. You don't have to do anything. Just pull it out of your freezer. And that's kind of the way I like it, because I'm one of those people that doesn't really think ahead. So I forget to take out the chicken the night before to defrost. So having it just be frozen works perfectly for me. So we're gonna go ahead and put in a second can of cream of chicken soup. And again, you just pour this right over top. This is super simple. It basically, you just dump everything into the crock pot. I have this great little Pampered Chef spatula that I have had since my kids were really little. And this thing is great for getting into small cans. I probably use this scraper more than any other scraper in my kitchen. Okay, so we have all of our chicken in there. The only thing that we have left to put in there is a block of cream cheese. And what I do is I open my cream cheese, and I'm gonna open this little thing. Now I'm trying to keep the dishes, the dirty dishes, to a minimum. So what I do is I just open up this packet of cream cheese, and I'm gonna leave it on the paper that it's wrapped in. I'm literally going to take my knife, and I'm just going to cut off little chunks and kind of put them around inside on top of my chicken, just like everything else in this. You just kind of want to cut it up a little bit so that it can melt easily. And just put it inside the crock pot. I have made this for, like I said, people who have had surgery. I've taken this over to their house. I made this for my daughter's Sweet 16, where we did like a pasta bar. And I don't know how many people after my daughter's Sweet 16 asked me for this recipe, because it is so incredibly easy to make and inexpensive to make, and it feeds a lot of people. So I've made this. We do church events. I've made this for those events, and it works out perfectly. So all you have to do now is turn your crock pot on high for about 5 to 6 hours, and just let it cook. So if you wanted, and you could let it go a little bit longer than that if you wanted to. It's not going to dry out because of the soup that you put in there. This will make its own kind of like a gravy on top of it. So you could just let it go. Like if you wanted to put it on right before you went to work, and it would be ready when you came home. All you got to do then is cook your egg noodles, and dinner is served. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and start this crock pot, and we'll come back and take a look at it in about 6 hours or so and see what we look like.
Okay guys, Dawn had to step out for a bit, but it's been close to about 2 hours since Dawn started our Italian chicken for dinner tonight, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on how it's doing. It smells fantastic, by the way. So you can see everything's blending together really nice. And I'm just going to take my spoon here and just kind of give it a little bit of a mix. You don't have to do this, by the way. but it'll just help blend everything together. All right, so I'm just going to let that go for a bit and give you guys another update. Okay guys, it's been a few more hours, and I think it's been a total of maybe about 4 hours now, and everything is really blending together beautifully. So let me see if I can grab the camera so I can have you guys take a look. So I'm going to keep letting this cook, and we should be ready to eat here within the next couple of hours or so.
Hi guys, I'm back from being out today, and we are going to go ahead and cook our egg noodles. I just have a 1 bag of egg noodles here, and I am going to boil them in. What I have here is a ceramic coated cast iron, and inside we have our water. In the water I have a little bit of Himalayan sea salt and some avocado oil. Now I just got this cast iron for Christmas from my niece Cora, and if you want to know, there's not too much that you have to do with this cast iron, but if you want to see how we season this cast iron, check out an upcoming video that we'll have posted. But we're going to go ahead, and the water's boiling, so we're going to go ahead and put our egg noodles in the water. And you can use, these are medium egg noodles. You can use wide, extra wide. You could even use just regular pasta that you have at your house. You could put this over spaghetti. Whatever you want. This is just what I had in my cupboard. So these egg noodles need to cook for 7 to 8 minutes. So we'll catch you back in just a moment. All right, guys, our timer's going off. Our egg noodles are ready. We're gonna go ahead and drain these off. Okay, guys, so we have our noodles. We have our Italian chicken all ready in the crock pot here. It is looking phenomenal. So we're just gonna go ahead and put some in a bowl. And guys, you can add things to this. I have added peas to it before. Frozen peas are the best. You can add broccoli to this. My daughter adds cayenne pepper to it. All of those things will make it taste good. And you know, I say it all the time. You do you. Whatever you think would taste good with a creamy chicken, I say go for it. I think it's time for a taste test.
Did somebody say taste test?
Guys, it smells so good in here. Super easy meal when you're coming home from being out with the girls or at work or just busy doing things, or maybe you've got to take the kids to football practice or cheerleading or dance. This is a great way to have dinner on the table when everybody's home and starving.
Oh yeah.
It's fantastic. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you'll hit the subscribe button, you'll be notified on all of our upcoming videos. If you ring the bell beside the subscribe button, that will notify you each time we upload a video. And guys, if you want to help us out, please share this on all your social media networks. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.
So good. Another successful Italian chicken.
It's hard to screw it up.
That's true. It's so easy.